Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Zoom recordings in Zoom. So, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to the website of Zoom at zoom.com. Click on Sign In at the top right corner and enter your Zoom account details. Once you are logged in, click on Recordings from the left-hand menu. Here, you will find all the recordings. If you are looking for cloud recordings, click on Cloud Recordings tab to access them. If you are looking for recordings shared with you, click on the Shared with Me tab. For computer recordings, click on the appropriate tab and here you will find all the recordings saved on your computer. You can also use the search option by entering the date to find specific recordings. Moreover, you can find your computer's recording under the Documents folder in the Zoom folder. And that's it. Now you know how to find Zoom recordings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.